Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today we're going to take a look in the box of the Blink XT wireless video camera system. It's a security camera system, and we looked at a couple other ones, including the Arlo and Reolink, their features, but this is ultimately the one that we decided to go with, and you can learn more why actually when we post the review video, and learn more why we chose this one over the others. So again, this is the Blink XT, and Blink is actually now owned by Amazon, so it integrates with Alexa and all that type of fun stuff. And it talks about it's a easy setup, completely wire-free, runs on 2 AA lithium-ion batteries that are rechargeable, and they also sell a solar panel where you could hook that up and it will constantly charge the batteries. Not through Blink, they're third-party solar panels, but some people say they work really great. It also says it uses Blink video technology. Have no idea really what that means, and neither do some of my friends that also said that they use this, and they do like it. So that's cool. It says it has a 2-year battery life on this. So the 2-year battery life talks about, depending on how much you check that live stream. If you check it all the time, it's not going to last for 2 years. Also has motion detection, weatherproof, video alerts, live view, HD, has a microphone, mobile apps, free cloud storage. They have a couple different levels of cloud storage, I believe. Has infrared night vision, temperature sensor, and it says easy setup as 1, 2, 3. So a lot of cool stuff. One thing that I did read online, which we felt we didn't need, was a talkback feature with the audio. So like we have the doorbell. You may have seen the video of the IC Bell doorbell, and that we can talk back to somebody, but these do not have two-way communication. But they're cameras, we didn't feel like we needed that. So let's go ahead and let's take a look and see what's in the box. So obviously undid the wrapping, and let's see. So we have the 3 different cameras here. You can see the size of them. They look a little bit smaller than like one of the original Rokus, maybe, if you ever had one of those. It just talks about getting started. There's your latch down, lift cover from bottom, things like that. So we got 1, 2, 3. And 3 looks like the size that they sell it, the largest size that they sell it. So if you want more cameras than that, you would have to buy probably 2 of these packs. So this is the sync module, has a USB on it, and that's going to sync up the cameras, and I believe that's what you connect to. Also on the back here, let's see if we can find it. If we take that off here. So you'll see on the back here, that's where the where it connects to, mounting it. Then under here should be the USB port. So there's a USB port, and that's what the solar connection goes to. And then when you close it up, if it's just using batteries, then it's closed up and it's weatherproof right there. So that's that one, the sync module. Nothing else there. Then we have our camera accessories. Ooh, is it our Blink technology accessories? Let's go ahead and take a look. So this looks like just some batteries. So these are the lithium-ion batteries. They're rechargeable batteries, and you can get these relatively cheap. So let's see, are these rechargeable? These look like they're just the ultimate lithium. So these I don't think are rechargeable, but then you can always get the rechargeable ones if you're doing the solar. So there you go, or you can install your own. So that's just the regular USB. Not USB, regular lithium-ion batteries. This looks like some type of mount there. Right, it says camera accessories. Let's see what else here. Actually, I think there's another mount in the other one. So they're all going to have the same thing here. Yep. Make sure you don't miss that when you unbox it. So that's one of the mounts right there. Have another set of them here. Mount. And then let's see what's here. Ooh, more batteries, yay. So it takes 2 batteries each, which is nice. Some of the other cameras I've seen take a lot more than that. We also have a cool sticker you can put on your door. You say, I'm protected by Blink Video Security, oh boy. Quick start guide, important information, 100% satisfaction guarantee, your different options for taking care of that guarantee. And then our last box here, we have our USB cable for charging it. And then let's see. and then a little power adapter there. So that's just for charging that, I believe. And again, let me just check these real quick just to make sure they are not rechargeable ones. No, they do not say rechargeable on it. They are just standard ultimate lithium. So they're relatively inexpensive. The rechargeables are a little bit more. This may be just to connect if you need to maybe update the system. We'll find out more and we'll talk about it in the review once we get it all set up. So that's what's in the box of the Blink XT 3-camera system. We're pretty excited to get started, see how it actually performs, but that's what comes in the box. And of course, make sure to smash the like button if you like this video. Also, if you've used the Blink XT cameras or another brand, another wireless brand, let us know in the comments below what you think about it or what you think about the ones that you've been using, and we'll go from there. So make sure to check out the recommended videos here, and we'll see you soon. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you.